Hello guys, today we are going to see about how to add images to your HTML document. In the previous session, we have created a simple web page using HTML. I'm going to just modify the same document here. I'm going to mentioning my title, my web page about HTML. You can give any title here, it won't be appear in your website. And for adding image to your website, you have to use img tag. If you want any image to your HTML website, this image tag is used to display our web page in your website. The source attribute is used to give our image file name here. I'm going to give my image file. And also you have to specify your type of image, that is some images may be JPG or PNG format. You have to specify it here. Okay, let's change a simple. I'm going to make a change on the paragraph section. I'm going to type some lines about the image. Okay, let's save this file and see it in the browser. Here it is, guys. Yes. Okay. I have just deleted these headings. I'm giving new heading. Just how to prepare chocolate cake. And if you want to give any additional information about your image, you can give it here. For instance, this alt attribute is used to give additional information about your image. In case due to network issues or some problems, the image may not appear in your website. At the time, this alt attribute is used to give information about your current image. I'm going to use a simple word here, that is cake. And also, if you want to change your width and height of your image, you can specify it here. I'm going to change the width, that is 300 pixels. You have to specify your height and width here is in pixels, and height the same 300 pixel. Let's save this file and see it in browser. Yes, you can change the difference in the picture. This is how you can easily add your images to your HTML website. Thank you guys.